Urgent Takata Airbag Inflator Recall Campaign Announcement. At Nissan, our customers' safety is of utmost importance. Currently, there are millions of cars worldwide under recall for deadly airbags. In the event of an accident, these airbags will inflate and may shoot sharp metal fragments, causing harm to the passengers. This can cause serious injury or death. So how can you find out if your vehicle is under recall? Log on to servicecampaign.nissan.com.my and key in your vehicle chassis number. You can find this on your insurance cover note or on your JPJ card, or call our Nissan customer care line at 1-800-88-3838 to check if your car model is affected. They can help you. We sincerely urge affected Nissan owners with affected airbag inflators to immediately undertake the replacement activity at any authorized Nissan service center to avoid possible injury or death. Replacement of the faulty airbag inflator is free. Also, if you know anyone who may own any of these models, do alert them. Get your airbags fixed immediately, and remember, the replacement is free. At Tanchong Express Auto Service, we care.